UMLA ke Mawryngkneng ba HS Kharpran ba UMLA ke Mawlai ba Bright Starwell Marbanyang kila bu Jingkylli Halor ki project Eklavya Model Residential School bat ke Center of Excellence for Sports Khuborjylla Meghalaya. Haba jubab Halor ke Jingkylli Menteri Ketenat Puli Puthi rakam isangma ulah pentip bakidan hadu live pratali ki EMRS balambang naga benta ke Meghalaya. Katba naga benta ke Center of Excellence bat ulaong ba ke jela kadang up ya ke jingmenjer naga sorkar pedeng. Menteri ulah pentip bana kilai pratali ki EMRS bo na yo jingmenjer tang badan ki bala sedang tei badan pat ki badang khot tender badan ki DPR ki bala dep pan yo jingmenjer.
So we move on to the next question. Question number 87, brought by Livingstone Karpran and Bright Starwell Marbanyang. Sri Rakhame Sangma, Minister in charge, to reply, please.
Speaker sir, the reply to question number 87, sir. Yes, sir. So for Eklavya Residential Model School, the proposal for Center of Excellence for Sports has not been approved by the Government of India. Sir B, sir, 38 numbers.
Sir.
Yes, please.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir. I also thank the Minister in charge of Education for the reply. So may I know from the Honorable Minister whether the government is pursuing for the early approval of the project, sir?
Yes, sir. So why the Government of India is delayed? Because the ongoing project is yet to be completed fully, sir. Maybe because of this, sir.
So what these proposed projects, the DPRs have been prepared or not, sir?
Speaker, sir, I mean for the entire project or just for the COE?
No, these projects which are waiting for the approval.
So in fact, the 38 number of EMRS, of which many has been approved, sir. But there are some under at different positions, sir. Some are under construction, some are the tendering process, sir, and many of the DPR has been approved, sir.
So when do you expect that approval will be given by the Government of India and the Ministry of Tribal Affairs, sir?
Speaker, sir. So it is, may I get the clarity of the question, sir?
No. When do you expect that the Government of India will approve the project, sir?
Speaker, sir, it is about the COE or entire project, sir?
Oh, this Center for Excellence for Sport, this one which I have mentioned, sir.
Speaker, sir, so this is up to the Government of India, sir, whether they will approve or not. It's not my position to say, sir, but the proposal has been sent for initially, but we are awaiting the approval of the Government of India, sir.
Will you please place and table on the floor of the House of this 38 numbers projects, sir?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Bright Starwell, please.
So, may I know from the Minister in charge of Education, the different components of the Eklavya Model Residential Schools that is there? Different components.
Speaker, sir, it is a different component about the project, sir?
Yes, yes.
So this has a different components, sir, about the academic buildings, the hostel, the playground, the boundary wall, all this. So I don't have the detail with me right now, but this include all the require component for the institution to run, sir. The hostel, the academic, the step quarter, it all respects, sir.
What I mean to say is, if we go by the Ministry of Tribal Affairs, there are, if I'm not mistaken, there are 3 components. One is the Eklavya Model Residential School, and the second component is the Center of Excellence for Sports, and the third one is the Eklavya Model Day Boarding Schools. So may I know from the Honorable Minister, from the 38 numbers that have been proposed, what are the breakups out of these 38 numbers? As far as the Eklavya Model Residential School is concerned, how many? And then the Center of Excellence for Sports, and finally the Eklavya Model Day Boarding Schools.
Speaker, sir, as of now, sir, the Government of India has already, the first sanction is for Eklavya only first, sir. And as already replied, Center of Excellence and other components, we are awaiting the approval of the Government of India, sir.
No, because may I also know from the Minister, what are the different criteria for setting up of the EMRS, the Center of Excellence for Sports, as well as the Eklavya Model Day Boarding Schools?
Because, sir, for the EMRS, the first criteria, the land of about 8 acres should be available at the pre, of course. And so for the others, for the other component, I don't have information right now with me, sir. But as said, sir, after the completion of all this project EMRS first, sir, the second stage for COE and others component will be moved on, sir.
No, why I'm asking this is because if we go by the Ministry of Tribal Affairs, the criteria for setting up of the EMRS is where the population, in fact, as per the Ministry of Tribal Affairs, by 2022, every block with 50% ST population or 20,000 tribal population, they are entitled to have one EMRS school. That is the criteria. And then as far as the Eklavya Model Day Boarding School, where the ST population is more than 90%, they are entitled to set up the Eklavya Model Day Boarding School. So based on these criteria, therefore I am asking the Minister concerned whether from the government side any proposal have been sent including the Eklavya Day Model Day Boarding School.
Speaker, sir, so in fact our state, we are majority are ST, where tribal population. In fact, all the blocks are qualified to have a EMRS at every block, sir. So as of now, the Government of India, Ministry of Tribal Affairs has sanctioned 38 number of EMRS for our state, for almost all the blocks except for the newly created and some blocks, sir. However, sir, after completion of all this project, we will propose for setting up more EMRS in rest of the blocks, sir.